Hi, my name is Dr. Arnold Wilson, and I'm a specialist in orthopedic surgery. I specialize in sports medicine and joint replacement surgery. I've been at Montefiore my entire career, which is now almost 30 years. I chose to go into a specialty primarily in knees. My specialty in knees allows me to treat both older people as well as athletes. Montefiore is a center of excellence in joint replacement surgery throughout the country. We are cutting edge. We are highly innovative. I'm very proud to be a part of that organization. I find it very rewarding to interact with patients when they tell me that they've had a knee replacement by me more than 10 years prior, and it's allowed them to enjoy their life and they're now pain-free. I find that incredibly rewarding to hear those stories, and it makes me